Wait till it starts. Wait till it. Oh, what's up, y'all? Dominoes is back. Continuing to dye eggs. Okay, look at all this coloring. I say this was a sad one. I guess it coming out to be happy. You know. Yep. Look in here and see if that other peel went in there. You know. Or check these other eggs and stuff or whatever. Oh, whoa. Never mind all that, you know. All right, so take a look at these eggs for a few minutes, okay? Yep, continuing to dye eggs, you know. Yep, so my auntie says she'll watch this, and I know other people gonna watch this, you know, okay? So let's continue to watch this. I'ma clean that up when I finish, okay? All right, got a lot of mopping to do, actually, okay? So let's say this is finished. This is a happy one. All right, not a sad one though. All right, that's a happy one. All right. All right. Well, honestly, I sure wish Tanya was watching this. She sure would have said, "Oh, look at D, go D, go D." Yeah, she was my number one supporter of the Domino 7 show. She was she was Domino 7's first supporter. You know, she supported my show through thick and thin. You know what I'm saying? Ever since I got started, you know. I don't know if she gonna ever watch my show again, you know. Maybe she don't know how to unblock me, you know. So if we ever see each other again, you know. All right, cause I'm doing good with my show. You know, this is Domino 7. This sad one is beginning to look like a happy one. Easy does it, Joe. There we go. Get all angles here and all angles there. Well, this is still not dissolving, but at least it's coming out colory. At least it's coming out colory. Colory, you know, it's already coming out colory. Yep, there's no such thing as papery eggs. Papery. What's the name? Papery. Yep. I ate an egg already, you know. Yes, indeed, I did, you know. Continuing to dye eggs as I speak. Okay. Yep. Did it on YouTube, did it on Facebook, but I'm not going to Instagram Live today. Okay. So I thought it was gonna rain for Easter, but unfortunately, fortunately, it's not. You know. So as I continue to dye these eggs and everything, I got it good. Okay, look at the colorings, look at the Super Mario and everything else, you know. Yep. I might as well wipe this up. That looks nasty. Let me use this dish towel to wipe this up. That look gross. Okay, there we go. All right, doing that on national TV. Why am I saying I'm doing it on national TV? Because this is national TV. You know, I'm doing it from Facebook Live. It's gonna eventually be on YouTube. I don't know if this video gonna be shown on the news or what. You know, be on for this video ain't gonna be on for. This video definitely not gonna be on for. Okay. So as I'm dyeing the eggs right now, looking out the window and seeing what's happening over here, you know. Oh. Yeah, that's somebody across the way, you know. So never mind who that was across the way, you know. I had to wipe that mess up. All right. Happy Easter. Oh yeah, so somebody comment with an Easter rabbit, you know. with an Easter wabbit, okay? Oh yeah, my people is watching. Well, I'm about to bring this camera to the eggs right now. Look how colorful it is, you know. This was a sad one, but it's turned into a happy one. This was a sad one. It's turned into a happy one. This is definitely a happy one. This is a happy one. This is a happy one, you know. So putting this on, oh, oh, you know, a few more eggs left. I might have to use this pan just in case this pan get full, you know. So this pan could actually be full at any time, you know. Watching these eggs dissolve, pointing the camera at the Easter eggs, you know, like the dead and kids, you know. He also was on Tiny Toons, kept on saying that phrase. I want an Easter egg, I want an Easter egg, I want an Easter egg, I want an Easter egg. You know, that kid, that's his favorite phrase. I want an Easter egg, I want an Easter egg. That's his favorite phrase. Who else is gonna phrase that out? You know? Is he paraphrasing or was he phrasing it? I know what phrasing is, but I don't know what paraphrasing is, you know? So anybody could paraphrase or phrase it or whatever, you know? You can phrase it, you know? Yep. So I want an Easter egg. So I don't have a favorite phrase, you know? So unlike Tanya's favorite phrase after what she got from Messi Maya years ago, you know, keep on saying that dangerous phrase, you know. Yeah, cause I don't like them phrases, them dangerous phrases. Look at the Mario kid again, okay? Oh, wait a minute. All right, Gwyn, okay? Yeah. Yeah, got a picture of the Easter wabbit. Yep. I kind of wonder if they over there dying eggs, you know. All right, showing y'all them colorful Easter eggs, you know. Do y'all think Dominoes 7 gonna have a tummy ache eating all this? Let's hope not. All right, let's switch pans. This is getting full. Okay, this is getting full. All right. I guess this is getting full, you know. All right, so this is an empty pan. Okay, an empty pan, an empty pan. I mean a full pan, empty pan, a full pan. All right. So look at the white colored eggs. So I'll call these the Easter pans. Okay. So right now these are Easter pans. Okay. Easter pans. All right. So remember that, ladies and gentlemen, Easter pans. Okay. All right. Long as I don't get disconnected, you know, because I kept on getting disconnected. You know, it wasn't no dangerous phrase. You know, you want Easter egg, you could phrase it out. You know, give me them phrases. You know, long as you don't tell me a dangerous phrase. Who would phrase things out? You know, talk about phrases and stuff. You know, so let's take the Easter eggs out. I'll start right down the line, I guess. Okay, so as we can't phrase it, you know, we can phrase whatever we want to phrase, you know. All right, there we go. And take this out so we don't in the kind of phrase, you know. Who keep talking about phrases, you know. But I'm not gonna sit that phrase on my that dangerous phrase on my show. That dangerous phrase was said in 2010 to 2011, and then this girl, my ex, was using that phrase. I'm not gonna say it, you know. And you know. She was my first girlfriend, you know. She I wound up telling Facebook I have a girlfriend and stuff like that, you know. And then Tanya called my phone saying, what's this about having a girlfriend? She sounded jealous too, you know. I'll just dipping that to see if they still have eggs in there. And, you know. There we go. All right, 2 more in here. Okay, and 2 more in here. All right. There we go. All right, y'all. Now about to go to YouTube, okay? All right, see y'all back if I have time, or if they still have eggs left. All right, bye.